First, an introduction. My name is Adam Sharisman. I am the instructional designer at Sunway University. Together in my team is my mentor and dean, Associate Professor Dr. Melissa Maria Mahmood. In this video, I will present our project entry for the INNCOME competition, application and distribution of interactive HTML5 content within online courses to increase learner engagement. The project studies how learner engagement can be impacted through the application and distribution of HTML5 content within an LMS through the ICAP framework to enhance understanding of learner engagement within instructional materials. Throughout the pandemic, we've seen a surge of classrooms moving towards online learning environments. However, several surveys such as the one done by Means and Neisler indicated significant drops in learner satisfaction during this shift. This begs the question, how can educators retain learner engagement within an impersonal and sterile virtual learning environment? This question serves as the backbone to this study's objectives. 1. To assess the effectiveness of different types of HTML5 content delivered through HTML5 packages, H5P, in improving learner engagement across higher education settings. 2. To analyze how various H5P interactive activities influence key learner engagement metrics, including time spent in course, count of item accessed, and activity participation. H5P is an education-specific HTML5 content builder focused on creating rich, interactive HTML5 content through an intuitive content building interface. Within the ICAP framework, H5P content allows learners to manipulate learning materials and reproduce understanding, rooting it within the active, where learners manipulate some parts of the learning materials, and constructive, where learners construct knowledge beyond information provided, modes of engagement. Santofanti and Jacob, in a H5P-focused study, had also reported positive feedback from learners, with learners preferring the addition of more H5P content moving forward. The subject matter expert on the course topic was given a simple text-based self-instructional material template to complete. Once completed, the instructional designer goes over the course content to identify components that are transferable to H5P. The content is then storyboarded. The activities are then constructed within H5P. As seen here, a simple engage and explore activity was derived from the template. Content is constructed and deployed within 4 activity categories: engage and explore, reflection, watch a video, and branching scenarios. In total, there are 6 modules within the course, modules A to F. The application of H5P assets varies from 0 assets to 9 assets between modules. For Objective 1, assessing the effectiveness of different types of HTML5 content, we found that quantity of H5P content types, such as interactive presentations, timelines, dialog cards, etc., does not necessarily dictate how learners engage with the module. For example, Module B, which recorded the highest variability of H5P asset types, did not record the highest engagement in terms of average time spent per learner at 0.159 hours. In fact, Module D, which had one of the lower variabilities of asset types, recorded the highest learner average time at 0.1628 hours. Interestingly, modules with fewer or no asset types showed significantly lower engagement metrics. In analyzing how various H5P interactive activities influence key learner engagement metrics, we found that Module D, when learners interacted with their role-playing activity through H5P assets, recorded the highest average time spent at 3.82 hours per student. Our study revealed that modules with a higher variety and number of H5P content exhibited higher engagement metrics, while modules with little or zero H5P deployment saw a significant drop in engagement. The studies demonstrated that strategic deployment of H5P content types is crucial for enhancing the learning experience. They highlight the importance of incorporating diverse H5P activities to maximize student engagement and support learning. Through the simple application of H5P within learning environments, framed within the ICAP framework, educators can enhance learner engagement with learning materials, thus addressing a widely known and reported issue within online learning environments.